Hi, so my name is Shreyas Pradhan, and for the Kentakin of 2021 hackathon, I've made a project called RexChange. So, RexChange is a website that lets you ask questions related to a particular research paper. It is similar to Stack Exchange, but Stack Exchange is based on asking questions on a particular subject or a topic. RexChange classifies questions based on research papers. So, how do I ask a question? Suppose I'm reading this paper and I have a doubt. I'll copy its DOI, which is used to identify papers, and I'll paste it here. So I will be taken to the section of this research paper which has all the questions in it asked by other people. So I can view a question, and I can view its answers, and I can also add an answer. So of course, to add an answer I'll have to be logged in. I'll use an account that I had created already. So yeah, now I can add an answer. This is KHE, which goes here. So I can also ask a question. And it will be visible to everyone. Uh, so, why is this useful? Because if I'm reading a paper and I have a doubt, I can directly ask it here instead of on Stack Exchange. What it will ensure is that people who have actually read the paper will answer my doubt. And now, from the other side's point of view, if I've read a paper and I just want to see the questions that other people have asked related to this paper, I'll just come here and check out all the questions. It might increase my understanding of the topic. I can't do this on Stack Exchange because there will be so many questions which I might not even understand relating to the topic. Um, so there is another feature that you can go to related questions of a particular question of a particular research paper. So these related questions are based on the references in that paper. So for example, in our original paper, this is a reference, and I can click on this to get the questions related to this. Um, so since this was a 24-hour hackathon, I didn't have time to implement everything. But some of the things I plan to implement is the features that Stack Exchange has, like image editing and LaTeX support, and voting, flagging, and reporting of question answers, adding tags to questions, and adding a ranking system. Uh, Another feature is a notification system. Like a person can subscribe to notifications so that whenever somebody adds a question for a particular research paper, they're notified. Or whenever somebody adds an answer to the question they asked, they're notified. So yeah, this was another potential that this platform has. So there are two major potentials which I'm actually very enthusiastic to implement in the future, and this really demonstrates the usefulness of the platform. So a section can be created for making notes in LaTeX for each paper. So these notes can be will be stored with RexChange along with the account that the user has. So the user can also be given a choice to make these notes public. Hence, like the community can immensely benefit from these notes. Um Another major thing is, suppose we can confirm an author's identity and give him or her privileged accounts on Exchange, then the authors we will give the authors a privilege of adding special explanations on papers written by them. Why is this useful? Because often research papers are written very concisely. There is not much scope for lengthy explanations, and hence sometimes there is confusion in understanding concepts. So if Rexchange becomes a central platform for authors to like clarify confusing parts in their papers and provide like special and lengthy explanations, this will benefit the community immensely. So this entire website was built with Python with a tool called Anvil. And yeah, thank you. That's it.